How to fix iPhone 16e camera shaking and rattling problem. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on general and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then go back and scroll down in last and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Now click on reset. On top you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it and here enter your passcode to reset all your settings. It will reset all your settings but never destroy any other data like photos, videos and other data. After reset all your settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time. And then slide this icon to right side for restart your iPhone. After restart your iPhone, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.